Hi, it's Stephen here for the Idiot Quilter, and I'm announcing that tomorrow I'm going to have a pop-up sew day. So if you're seeing this, it is Friday, February the 11th, which means that the pop-up sew day is going to be Saturday, February the 12th. And when's it going to start? Well, as soon as I get up in the morning and have a shower and have a coffee and get dressed, because you don't want to see me undressed. That wouldn't be a nice way to start your day. So probably anytime after about 7:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. How long will it last? I don't know. We'll see. If things are going fine and everybody is happy, then I'll probably run it till maybe 4 o'clock in the afternoon, unless I get interrupted or I get bored, and then I'll cut it off. It's a pop-up. What can I say? So, if you've got free time this Saturday, February the 12th, then join me. Come and go as you please throughout the day, and let's get caught up on some of our projects, okay? Hope to see you on Saturday. Bye for now.